What's up, viewers? Welcome back. You're not gonna believe what I've just rode. A 2021 zx10r. Mate, it was phenomenal. Absolutely fantastic little bike. I feel a little bit bummed out as well because they told me I can't record it, and I thought, well, you know, I didn't ask why. I just thought, okay, I'll just be told and take the camera off. You know, that would have made an excellent review for my first actual ever sports bike I've ever ridden. Now, I mean, when I first sat on the bike, I noticed how light it was. I felt the balance was at more of the top end, but I say, I mean, because I've never ridden one, it was quite leaned over, so as you expected. Because the reason being is that Kawasaki put a demo day up, and I thought, you know, I'd never ridden a sports bike, and I thought I've always wanted to test ride a sports bike, so maybe in future I could actually go get a track bike and do a few track days. Because riding the zx10r, it has a lot of power, and this is sort of the roughly route that I took down there. So I mean, when I bang it around the corners, I felt like probably Marc Marquez or Valentino Rossi. It's absolute immense of a bike. It's got so much power. And what I did notice is that the 2021 version, it's got cruise control, it's got all these different modes, rain, road. I mean, the downside is that I know it's a sports bike, it's not really designed for the road, because I can feel every single bump off it. And I think, I would actually prefer to take it around the track to get the full experience. Say you got stuck to the speed limits and everything else, and yeah. I mean, what I did like about it, it was handled on the road so damn well. I'd never felt a bike handled on the road so well. It gripped to the road. You never realise it. I mean, I remember a lot of times people grab the front brake and boom, straight off. I was a little bit of fear of that, but braking on the corner, braking on, you know, it handles so well. You never expect it. I mean, what I did notice is that because all your weight is all on your arms, my right hand kept going numb for some weird reason, so I had to keep taking my hand off. I mean, benefit of having cruise control, I could just, you know, sit back up, let my hands fill it with blood again, and then I can go again. Other than that, I mean, my knee was a bit cramping up as well, because you think you're kind of squished in there. And I think I didn't mind it after, because we did about 40 minutes ride, and I started actually getting the comfort to bike. And then as soon as I got back on my Tiger, it felt like riding a new bike again. So the throttle response is so spontaneous. You pull the throttle and it goes, and it gets 60 so damn quick, and you never realise that how powerful that bike is. So I would love to have another go on that bike and get an actual proper view, because the problem is people my age, I'm 25, and I don't see any people my age who are into bikes. They're either married, got kids, or anything else, you know. And it would be a perfect reason why I want to get more people into riding, because it's so much fun. You have a bad day at work and get on your bike and you just take it for the countryside and you enjoy it. I can probably see another reason why people my age are not into bikes, but I'll leave that for another video. Anyway, if you like that, it's a bit of a short clip again, but hopefully if you want to test ride a zx10r, go down to Kawasaki in Northampton, Moto. If you're nearby, have a go on it, and it's absolutely phenomenal. I mean, hopefully I can try to convince them to get me to have a go, so I can do a proper review on it, because it's better like watching me ride the bike than, you know, me reviewing it after riding it on my Tiger 1200. So like, subscribe, put a bell notification on, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for watching.